Knock knock. This is Rakshanda and I'm a friend of your brain. Today my video is based on reading motivation strategies. And this video is especially for those parents who want to nurture their child passionately because children are made readers on the laps of their parents. So, few wonderful psychologically researched strategies I am presenting in front of you all. So the first question is why to inculcate reading habit among children? Because when child's interest, strength and talent, these three things touched with literature, it builds reading with understanding and it helps to gain knowledge and improve study habit. Family reading nights, the daily newspaper, these are helping hands for reading interest. My first strategy is to follow your child's interest. We don't have to do any scientific research to find out child's interest because as a parent and or a teacher, we know already. When learning is based on dopamine pleasure, it leads to lifelong impact. What is dopamine pleasure? It is simply neurotransmitter chemical. It releases when child gets enjoyment. Books related to past experience in travel and ocean, wildlife, things which is surrounded your child helps them to create interest in reading. Now, second strategy is to inspire without pressure. I'm sorry to say that most of the parents they pressurize their children just for the sake of competition. My dear friends, all children are different from each other. So please don't pressurize them. Avoid making him feel pressured and allow him to bring up the topic of the book. You can suggest them, you can guide them to choose topic, but you don't put your topic on their head. And you're a role model for your children. They will stimulate you if you will take interest in reading. Use books with good fonts and big colorful pictures, attractive format. This will help them to create interest in reading. Third is activities to inspire reading. Here few activities I am explaining you all. First activity is family reading time or class reading time. What you can do in this, you can choose a simple 5-10 minutes and you can give them a piece of literature, piece of an article and tell them to read it aloud in the class among siblings. And or you can you can tell them to bring up with their favorite articles and read it aloud in the class. Now, daily newspapers and series books are very important. So please tell them to read, encourage them to read daily newspapers and magazines because it is very effective. It has lots of knowledgeable stories and encyclopedia and thoughts and puzzles, brain games, and so many things. So this plays very important role in reading. And creative games based on reading, you can go on internet and a lot of things you will get. It requires little time but you will get. So in my upcoming video I'm going to share with you all, so please keep watching my channel. And last one is celebrate progress. Children are hungry to get appreciation from their parents and teachers. What you have to do is you have to just keep records. What was your mistake, what was your students mistakes, and then after some time when you will evaluate and you see the mistake, you see the results and it have positive effect, so it is a time to celebrate. So you can give them stars and badges, and small stationery gifts are all time favorite of kids. So this is it. If you like my video, give thumbs up, do subscribe. Thank you.